Hey kids, that's right, we're back. We're doing things right now. First things first, we gotta get this out of the way. So, think it'll start? I don't know, it might. Then again, it might not. Let's find out right here, right now. Nice and cool in here. Yeah, that's fun. Well, let's just do it. Right now. Let's fly, baby. You might have heard of them. That's right, musical hot rods. Right here today. However, that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about what's in this box. Let's go over here. Smells like 2 hot rods in here. It sure does. It's amazing. Hey! It's Chad, on Faith each other. In case you didn't know. In this box, we got something awesome. Oh, here. Look at that. Boom. You always get your knife. And then you wonder, well, we don't cut something. And then you cut stuff. It's called a box. Okay, yep, we got a box in a box. Oh, gosh. Let's see. Perfect. That's right. We got another welder from Sefaspe. This one's a little bit different. Something we have not done here on the channel. At all. And I'm not talking about actual work either. I'm talking about something else. Something much more else. This, my friends, little friend, one of you out there. This one is a stick welder. We're gonna try stick welding. That's what we're gonna do. Even as a 220 option. Hey man, that's a bad bone. It's got this. It's gonna be a mask. Holy cow, there's a little guy. We got, oh, we even got sticks. Look at that. So this one is the MMA 160SE from Sefaspe. You guys should remember the, yep. Okay, let's see what we get. Silk gel. It's ceiling fan. Pass. I'm assuming it's because it passed testing. Probably. This guy, unexpected. I didn't know that that was a thing. A user manual, some rods. Looks like these are 6013 rods. A mask. And we're gonna not use this. And this. And we're gonna not. Something else with this one is that there is a stinger that's wow, in the ground. Look at that, all nice and bundled up. So, stick around a second. Yep. All right, now normally we'd use our shop shears. Oh, here we go. Never mind, hold on. Stay right there. Oh, look at that. Yep, cool. And then we got our ground. Yep. Now, feels about the same as the other one. It'll be a positive ground, because that's what it is, right? Right. And a negative bead. Now, this is just a stick welder. We haven't stick welded ever on the channel. And as a matter of fact, I don't know that I've stick welded ever. So what we're going to do today, is we are going to do this together, and hopefully things will work out. Hey, the other Sefaspe was super easy to set up. This is the same thing. One dial. We're going to not use this right now because I have the 110 over here and the 220s right there. But we will be trying this out at some point too. Game on. Now, nice, that garbage can right there. So I have it set up completely. Now, let's look at the manual, see if I did it right. Wearing a book. Anybody got glasses? No? Okay, that's cool. Don't shock yourself. Do some fumes. Yep. Yep. You can, it says stop doing stuff in here. Yep. Overview. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yes. Perhaps. Install the output cable. Did that. Okay. Yep. Yes. Safety's no accident. So headphones or earplugs, things and stuff. We're going to use this again because we are going to use it again. Hopefully this won't go sideways. So I'm going to get suited up. By suited up, I mean, and then plug that in somewhere. Oh, it's right here. All right, got it turned on. It starts at 30 amps and it goes all the way up in one amp increments all the way up to 160. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna start around 60 when we do it. I didn't get suited up. Hold on. All right, kids, we are hooked up. I got it at 60 amps because I got it at 60 amps. And here we go. Let's try it out. Almost. We're getting it. Bring it in as soon as it cools off a second. Kids, we're gonna take the old, this guy, because I got this in case I ever got a stick welder, and I have one, a dedicated stick welder now. I'm just gonna, this is the old, chop. You guys see what we're doing? Okay, good. Now, you know I've never done it before, because I said I've never done it before. It looks kind of bad, but it was pretty easy to do. Should we try it again? Yeah? Okay. All right, so let's get it back up. Yep, like, yep. Okay, that's hot. I can feel it through my hand, which I didn't touch it, but it's hot. Now I know, because I can feel it. What's going on here? You know, you just want a clamp to clamp sometimes. It doesn't. It's whatever, man. Okay, we're gonna turn it back on. Let's turn it up. Let's turn it up to, I don't know, 80. You turn it up to 80. Why? Because we're turning it up to 80. Because if I turn it up to 11, it won't make sense. And anybody who gets that, you're my people. There we go. Oh, blew through it. Let's turn it back down. 70. Ah, look at that. You know how hot that is. Okay, let's chop it up. I think this will chop it. We'll go this way. Yeah, 80 blew right through that thing. It's hot. I'll tell you what. I kind of dig this stick welding stuff. I might have to start doing some more of it. Maybe I can pretend to be good at it, you know? It's not, it's hot. Not bad. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, so that's the thing. All right, you know what? I'm gonna head it right here too. Hold on a second. I'm gonna leave it at 70. I do have the exhaust fan on because this does make a lot of fumes and stuff. And the exhaust fan is just right above your head. I don't know if you're, look, it's right there. All right, here we go. Welding! Ready? Welding. I burnt it up at the end. All right, for this time, we're gonna go right here. And not only are we gonna go right there, we're gonna turn it up. We're gonna turn it up to 100. Why? Well, I wanna see what 100 does. That's why. And I think you do too, don't you? Well, that's good. Because we're doing it right now. Look, you can't turn something up to 100. You should be able to turn it up to like 99 at least, you know? Okay. All right, here we go. Welding. Oh, hey, let go. Oh, right through it. Go back the other way. It's pretty thin stuff. Right through it. 100 is too much for what I got going here, which is fine. I'm just trying it out. That's hot, boy. Feel right through my fingers, right through my gloves. Okay, let's cool down. Hold on. Thought I'd save you some of the banging noises. Now, I'll tell you what. I don't know much about a lot of things, but I know that I don't know how to stick weld. But I think I did okay for my first time ever. You know, learning. That's what this whole thing's about, man. You know, learning. And I'll tell you what. This one is just, it's fantastic. I am super excited about this. I'm gonna have, of course, I'll have links to it. You know the deal, right? But Sefaspe, they said, hey, you want to try this one out? And I was like, you know what? I've never done it, and I was kind of hesitant because I'd never done it. And then I thought, well, I've never done that, so I thought, you know what? I can do this. I like that. Okay, the Sefaspe MMA 160 is it is a fun little machine. I am really stoked about this. I can't wait to do more with it. I mean, I don't think I'll be building on my frame with it and stuff, but maybe I'll try it in here. You know, why not? What's worst going to happen? I got to redo it? Nothing. That's right. So the Sefaspe is definitely Honest Paint Speed Shop approved. That's still hot. Let's see. Let's go right there. Yep. Honest Paint Speed Shop approved. The Sefaspe MMA 160. Click that link and just go get you one right now. Keep on wrenching, kids.